Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about something I kept to myself for a very long time, but today I feel it's very important to bring it out in the open. Have you ever felt that when you are completely alone, surrounded by silence, there is still a strange sound echoing in your ears? That one sound, that ringing noise that never seems to end. Just think about it. You want to sleep, but that sound won't let you. You want to focus on something deep, but that noise takes your mind elsewhere. This is what happened to me for years. That constant noise in my ears, that ringing, that buzzing. Sometimes it was mild, sometimes so loud it felt like my head would split. To be honest, I was completely exhausted inside. When your mind isn't at peace, you can't enjoy any happiness in the world. I tried everything, saw doctors, used expensive eardrops, even resorted to a white noise machine, but nothing worked. I would get just a few hours of relief, and then the same noise would return. Then one day my search ended when I learned about Audifort. Initially, I was very skeptical. I thought it would be just like all the other supplements, but when I read people's reviews and understood its natural ingredients, I thought, why not give it one last try? And believe me, what I felt within just 2 weeks was nothing short of a miracle. That noise in my ears gradually started to decrease. It didn't disappear overnight, but its intensity reduced. For the first time in years, I could sit peacefully without that noise. My concentration improved, my sleep became deeper, and most importantly, my stress began to disappear. Audifort gave me back the peace I had lost all hope of finding. The best thing about it is that it's completely natural, with no side effects, no nasty addiction. It just slowly heals your body from the inside. If you are also going through that phase, if that same ear noise is troubling you, then I sincerely say, give it a try once. Nothing in life is greater than peace. And the best part is that it comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee, meaning you have nothing to lose and only that lost peace to gain. Understand this carefully. It's not just about a supplement here. It's about your mental health and that peace which has gotten lost in the noise. Just imagine those moments when you are sitting with your family and you don't have to constantly say, "What?" That moment when you put your head on the pillow at night and you only hear your own heartbeat, not that ringing. This is the freedom that Audifort promises to deliver, and honestly, it has worked for me, so don't hold back either. The sole purpose of sharing this experience on Review Bank was to let you know you are not alone. Friends, there is another very important thing we need to understand here. Often we think these minor sounds will go away on their own, but in reality, our body is signaling that it needs help. When I started using Audifort, I realized how much time I had wasted just waiting. This combination of science and nature is truly a huge relief. Just think, if a single supplement can bring back your peaceful nights and calm days, isn't it worth a try? Believe me, that peace is priceless. I have seen my quality of life improve. Now I can not only hear better, but my concentration is also much sharper than before. This 60-day refund policy is like a safety net. You have absolutely nothing to lose, so just go ahead and make a decision for yourself. If you feel you also deserve that peace, try it today. Now is the time for you to reclaim your tranquility. Thank you for staying with me on this journey. If you found my story genuine and are experiencing something similar, please do tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel Review Bank so we can continue to bring such genuine and important topics to you.